plant people. This is going to be a little rainy day unboxing. I have here a package from Modern Sprout. I am really excited to have two products that I'm going to be showing you guys, and I do have an affiliate code with this brand, Modern Sprout. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the link below and on the screen. Also, look at my new kitty clock. Oh, there's already something in there. Okay, let's see. Oh yes, I'm so excited. I really needed this. So I have a pair of shears right here. Let's see if they focus. Not on my face, on the product. Okay, so we have shears here. I really needed a new pair of shears. I've had the same one. I should show you my old one. It's kind of disgusting. No matter how many times I wash it, it still kind of like has some gunk on it, and I'm just like, ugh. Like, I could work hard enough to put some like alcohol on it, but you know, I kind of really didn't feel like it. I've had it forever. So I got these new pair of shears, and they have this little side handle that I'm not like super familiar with, but I'm gonna look into it. So it says lightweight and durable. These grip friendly shears include a safety lock. Oh. And combine a carbon steel blade with a needle and nose tip for precision cuts. I'm really excited. Probably plastic free packaging. We love. Right, so let's open them up. Ooh. These are like a lot bigger than I expected them to be, but they're kind of like this pretty, oh, I guess maybe this is the safety lock. Oh, nice. Wow, that's a really nice, like it opens really a lot wider than I expected it to. So this is the safety lock, and I guess this is just the handle to grip it. Look at how sharp those are. Like those are gorgeous, honestly, and that's pretty satisfying. Ooh. So I finally have a new pair of shears, and I'm excited to use them. Maybe we'll do a little video of some propagation, even though I just chopped most of my plants. I'm sure I can always find something to chop. So yeah, this is my new pair of shears. I got this big boy. I gotta say their packaging is like very efficient and well done. There's not a lot of like plastic in here. It's just some recyclable waste, which is always great. I might use it to repack some packages that I have myself. Okay, oh my god, this is a lot larger than I expected it to be. Oh my god, it's hydroponic. I did not know that. Okay. This is kind of hard to get out. Okay. Ooh. Oh my god. This is huge. Okay, this is actually kind of beautiful though. Okay. So we have the hydroponic Morning Glory planter with this beautiful ribbed pot. I'm so excited. So there's seeds, there's a grow medium, there's plant food, and then it says just add water. This fluted planter is outfitted with an immersion hydroponic system and includes a complete grow kit to start your indoor garden. Marvel at the beauty of botany every day. Ooh, I'm so glad that I picked this one. Also because I don't have a lot of experience growing like floral plants or flowering plants. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna insert some like close up of what it looks like and then remove components before planting. fertilizer, field notes, and the Morning Glory mix, which are very beautiful. Here's the mix. It says, let's see, and then we have like a little, oh, I see. So I think what happens is you put water in here, and then I'm not sure what this dust stuff is at the bottom. Unless the seed mix came out. So this is post-production major. I just came on here to say that the seeds that were shipped to me, for some reason, this is what they look like when I open them. So I contacted the customer support and they sent me this form to fill out, and within 2 days I had a new pack of seeds. So that was resolved. I don't think so. Not sure what that is. It might just be dust from this, but there's like a little inside, which is very cool. And there's sort of like a gravelly medium. Interesting. So I guess we are going to, it says wash hands, remove all contents from the planter. Amazing. I might actually sprout the seeds old school in a, yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and sprout them in like a little plastic bag with a wet paper towel, because I feel like that I've had a higher success rate with that than just planting seeds in growing medium and like seeing if it happens. I think the humidity of the bag really just helps the germination process go faster. So I think that's what I'm gonna do, and I will update you guys once we have some germinated seeds. I'm so excited. So this is the Morning Glory after about 2 weeks, and I was honestly not sure that it was gonna sprout as quickly as it did, because look at how rocky that medium is, and it hasn't been raining that much, but she's doing really well, and I'll update you guys once she started climbing. So it's raining a little bit, but I still wanted to show you anyway that she has started to climb, and I'm so excited. This is about a month after I planted her, and I'm just excited for her to take over this whole wall.